If you'd like to start an online business with very low startup costs that you can start part-time from the comfort of your home, then keep on watching this video, because you're about to discover the top 4 online business ideas that you should consider starting with, because they are the simplest and easiest online business models to start for beginners, regardless of your current age or current business knowledge. Now, before we get into the good stuff, listen, I know you're sitting there watching this video, wondering if I'm a credible person and whether you should continue to listen to me or to skip to the next video. Now, I suggest you keep watching this video, because in the next several minutes, I'm going to deliver tons of valuable information to you. And 2 of the 4 online business models we're going to cover in this video, I've actually been doing myself for the last 15 years. So this video you're watching is based on first-hand knowledge and real-life experience. And if you watch this video until the end, you'll have everything you need to know to get started today with your own online business that you can start from home part-time. And if you're new to the channel, hi. My name is Craig Becta, and I've been running my own successful online business from home for the last 15 years. And in this video, I'll reveal to you the top 4 online business models that you can run from home with just a laptop or a mobile phone from anywhere in the world. Now, the 4 online business models you're about to discover, you can all start from home with just 1 or 2 hours per day with very low startup costs, especially compared to what it would cost you to start a traditional brick and mortar business like investing in a franchise like McDonald's. Now, before we dive into the good stuff, every week I release 2 new videos with different ways to make money online from home. So if that interests you, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of my future videos. So hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, and why not hit that like while you're at it. All right, okay. So let's talk about what types of online businesses you should avoid because they have lower profit margins and more potential hassles that you probably don't want to have anything to do with. Here are the 2 types of online business models a lot of people recommend that I suggest you avoid completely. Now, I suggest you avoid drop shipping or selling actual physical items on sites like eBay. The 4 best online business models that you'll discover in this video do not require any physical products, no inventory to worry about, no shipping, no employees, and definitely no boss telling you what to do. Now, when it comes to starting an online business from home, you should focus on the following 4 things. 1, easy to start with little investment. 2, high profit potential and profit margins. 3, easy to maintain, scale, and grow your online business. And number 4, an automated component that allows you to earn while you sleep or while you're on the beach or vacation. Now, I know that may sound like a joke. Basically, you want a passive income component to the business that allows you some time freedom to do the things that you want to do each and every day. You don't want to buy yourself a job. So we'll start with the easiest business model first that requires the least amount of time and investment on your part. Now, you may have heard of this business model before, but I'll ask you to suspend your disbelief for a moment and allow me to explain why I think it's the best online business model for a majority of people to start with. Now, before we get into it, let me first ask you a question. Do you know the secret to earning money? People earn money by selling a valuable product or service, or by trading their time for money at a job. Now, I don't suggest you trade your time for money at a job because you're probably already doing that. And I'm also assuming that you don't already have a valuable product or service of your own to sell just yet. So if you don't have a valuable product or service of your own to sell, how exactly do you get started? So for beginners, I suggest you start with recommending other people's products or services online in exchange for a commission. Now, I'm sure you've heard of this type of business model and you see people doing it on YouTube all of the time. Now, this is not a pyramid scheme or anything like Amway, if anyone remembers Amway. This is a legitimate home-based business that tons of people all over the world are involved in, and even large sites like Amazon and many other large online retailers participate in it as well. Now, it's called affiliate marketing, and it's a multi-billion-dollar online industry. The United States alone has a $6.8 billion affiliate marketing industry, and it's growing bigger every year. Now, how it works is you sign up to promote another business's products or services in exchange for a commission if you make a referral sale through your unique affiliate link. Now, why I'm suggesting you start with this type of online business is because it requires very little startup costs, and you don't have to worry about having to deal with actual physical product. You can literally sit on your couch with a laptop or a lounge chair on the beach, provided you have a Wi-Fi connection, and invest as little as 1 or 2 hours per day to start your online business. Now, I started affiliate marketing back in 2007, over 15 years ago, part-time while I was still working full-time in the Air Force, and I eventually started making more money online part-time than I was from my full-time day job. Now, in 2010, I retired from the Air Force, and I've been working online from home ever since. Now, I have other videos that go deeper into how to get started with affiliate marketing, and you can check out that affiliate marketing playlist playlists down below in the description box after this video, and also put a link to the playlist at the end of this video. So stick around to watch that playlist if that interests you. And make sure you keep watching this video, because now business model 2 requires a little more upfront investment of time, and it's creating your own digital information products. Now, some examples of digital info products are ebooks, video training courses, audio recordings, or monthly membership sites that pay you recurring revenue month after month. There are tons of information-based monthly membership sites in all different niche markets where people pay to access your monthly training or to have access to you if they have a question. Now, I've sold ebooks, online video training courses, and I've also run several monthly membership sites over the years, and they are all great online revenue streams. Now, creating digital information products was the second business model that I started back in 2008, and it can be very lucrative, especially if you recruit an army of affiliates to help you promote your products for you. Now, this is also why I suggest you start with affiliate marketing first, because by learning how to promote other people's products first, you'll have a better understanding of marketing your own products, and you'll know how to train your affiliates so they can help you grow your digital information business for you. Now, you may be thinking you don't know what to sell, but all you have to do is learn as much as you can about a particular high income skill by reading books or taking an online training course. And there are even free courses that Google and Facebook offer that can help you to become a subject matter expert in a short amount of time. If you like the sound of the first 2 online business models, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, if creating a digital information product is not your thing, you can also use the same concept by becoming a subject matter expert and starting an online agency that manages some aspect of someone else's online business. For example, you can start a Facebook ad agency or a Google ad agency or a YouTube ad agency. Although that would require you to learn as much as you can about each platform, and you'd have to have some actual experience producing positive results so you could deliver a good return on investment to your clients. If the idea of running an ad agency doesn't appeal to you, another way to help online business owners is by providing a service like video editing for YouTubers, audio editing for podcasters. You don't even have to do the actual video or audio editing yourself. Think of yourself as a subcontractor. You can find video editors or audio editors on sites like Upwork or Fiverr, and then you can outsource the work to them, making sure you charge enough upfront to your client to make 30 or 50% profit, and you just act as a middleman between the client and the editor. You could also do this as a social media manager for any number of businesses, and by outsourcing the work to other people, that would allow you to grow and scale your online business and put your focus on attracting more clients and marketing your business. Now, there's any number of online tasks that you could outsource that people find too time-consuming or that they don't have the know-how or interest to do themselves. Now, the fourth online business model that could be quite lucrative, because it usually involves a monthly recurring cost to your customer, is software as a service. Now, the great part about software is it usually involves a subscription model, which means you make monthly recurring revenue and you don't have to know anything about programming yourself. So let me give you an example. You can hire a coder on Upwork or Fiverr to create a piece of software. Then all you have to do is focus on marketing it. Now, ClickFunnels is a good example of successful software as a service business. The co-founder, Russell Brunson, doesn't know how to code himself. He just joined forces with someone who already had that skill, and just look how successful ClickFunnels is today. Now, as I mentioned earlier, the easiest online business to start from home for beginners is affiliate marketing. And I'll post a link to those videos in the description box below this one and also at the end of this video, so stick around to watch those. Now, if you like the sound of the last 2 online business models, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And before you go, I wanted to give you some helpful tips that might make the difference for you whether or not you become a successful online business owner. Because I know how hard it is to start a home-based business from home. In order for it to work, you're going to have to carve out some time to get started. And in order for that to happen, you're going to have to create a new routine for yourself and change some of your existing habits. Now, that might mean getting up an hour earlier each day, or skipping Netflix for an hour each night. I know it may seem hard, but there's probably at least 1 hour a day that you could put aside for your new business. In 2007, I started getting up an hour earlier so that I could focus on learning affiliate marketing. So pick a time that works for you, either in the morning or the evening. In this section, I'm going to recommend a few books you can get on Amazon, either the actual physical books or the Kindle version. Because a big part of starting a new online business involves having the right mindset to succeed. Atomic Habits is a great book about changing your habits. And literally, if you can change a few of your small habits that aren't serving you now, you can begin the process of changing your life. Which reminds me of a great quote from Dr. Wayne Dyer, and it goes, "Change your thoughts and change your life." And it's really true. Two new habits I've incorporated after reading this book is 20 minutes of the elliptical first thing in the morning and 20 minutes of meditation before I even look at my phone in the morning. Now, these two new habits have had a huge impact on my day and how much I get done, which is quite surprising. So you don't have to make huge changes all at once. Start with one new habit and you can begin habit stacking from there. Now, in order to see a change in your life, it has to happen in your mind first. And the good news is that's already started to happen for you because you're watching this video right now. Now, I'm also going to suggest a few other books that you might find helpful along your online business journey. Another good book is Think and Grow Rich, and you can find a free version of that online, I'm pretty sure. And also Traction, that's a good book about starting your own business. Now, I suggest you start reading one new business book or mindset book a week to start, or at least one new book a month to open your mind to new ideas and new ways of thinking about things. Now, you're probably watching this video and you're still wondering where to start, and it really comes down to making a choice of which business model to start first and actually focusing on starting it and staying consistent day after day. Now, any business you start will be difficult at first because everything about it will be new to you, but honestly, it's never been easier to start an online business or make money online than ever before. Now, the best advice I could give you is to start with affiliate marketing because it's the easiest to start with, and just stop making excuses why it won't work for you. Now, there's plenty of examples of people with successful affiliate marketing businesses or digital information businesses and software businesses out there. Just Google it, have a look around. And if they can do it, so can you. No one's born with these skills. It starts with the desire to change your current situation, and then it's up to you to make it happen. I don't want to get too preachy in this video, but tons of people jump from one easy idea to the next easy idea and never actually start anything and then complain it doesn't work. So here's what you need to do right now. Pick one of these 4 online business models we just talked about. 1, affiliate marketing. 2, creating your own digital products. 3, managing an agency. 4, creating software as a service. Pick one that appeals to you the most and get started today. Now, you may be also wondering which online market should you get into. Now, there's 3 huge online markets that you should focus on first, where a majority of the products and services are sold. So sticking to the big 3 markets will give you better odds at being successful in your new business. Now, yes, they're crowded markets and there's lots of competition, and that's good because that's where the money is. So all you need is a little slice of the pie for yourself. Now, the 3 big markets you should be thinking about are number 1, the wealth market, 2, health market, 3, the relationship market. Choose one of those 3 that you're the most interested in and just get started learning as much as you can about it. As I mentioned earlier, I have a few videos on affiliate marketing. If you want to check those out, stick around to the end of the video and I'll have them pop up at the end of the video. In the next few weeks, I'll be releasing a video about creating your own digital information products and how to sell them. So if that interests you, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell so you don't miss those videos. And before you go, if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button until it turns blue so this video gets out to more people that really need to see it. All right, thanks for sticking around and watching this whole video. Make sure you check out my other videos before you go. I'll have them pop up at the end of this video. And if you'd like some more tips about affiliate marketing, you can get a free copy of my super affiliate checklist, and you can get access to that free checklist down below in the description box. So have a look for that before you go. All right, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.